Hello everybody, welcome to Universe Sandbox, and today I'm going to be showing you my custom solar system. So this star system is based off the one from Outer Wilds, as you can tell if you played the game. So as you can see, here's the sun from Outer Wilds. It's about 1/5 the size of our sun, and 2 times the radius of Jupiter. Here's the sun station, which is orbiting super close to the sun. Here are the hourglass twins. You can see they're binary planets, and they're about 10,000 kilometers apart. And they're around the exact same size, and they both look really cool from the surface. Yeah, so you can see Ember Twin and Astra in the sky. Next planet out is Timber Hearth. So you can see it's mostly green, just like in the game. And has a couple of lakes dotted about. It also has city lights, if you can see that right here. So, Timber Hearth also has the Owl Rock in orbit of it, which is like a very tiny, but pretty small. The Timber Hearth is about 60% the mass of Earth. It has the same gravity. And here we have the Stranger from Echoes of the Eye DLC. And you can see I gave it like a faint green glow, which is pretty cool. Next out you have Blue Hollow. Unfortunately, I couldn't put the black hole inside Drill Hole, since that would be like too massive, and we just beat the planet. So I've done this instead. So as you can see, it's purplish like in the game. And I added like black water to make it kind of look like holes in the planet. Kind of. I mean, and you have Hole's lantern, which is an orbit around Little Hole, and it's like emitting a ton of particles out into space. As you can see, those like hit Little Hole, like in the game. Hole's lantern is also pretty bright in the sky, since it's like 500 degrees Celsius. It also has a lava ocean that covers most of the planet. So leaving that system, we go out to Giant Steep, which is the most massive planet at 37 times the mass of Earth. And has 17 meters per second of gravity. Here's Giant Steep. And in orbit of Giant Steep, we have the orbital probe cannon. Which you can see is like, since you're not able to like build ships in this game, I basically just took New Horizons, like the probe that went to Pluto, and scaled it up a bunch to like 60 kilometers. And it kind of looks like a cannon, right? Because like the RGG kind of looks like the barrel of a cannon. And as you can see, it's launched a little probe. This is the eye probe. But in this game, I've just made Voyager 2. going out to the last major planet in the solar system, Dark Bramble. So I was unable to like recreate like the look of Dark Bramble since it's really like a regular. It's like weirdly shaped. So I couldn't create that in Universe Sandbox. But as you can see here, it's like icy. It's 1.3 times the mass of Earth, but 2 times the size. And you have the white hole over here. Get a white hole. It has negative mass, which means it has a negative gravitational pull, like in the game. And out here you have the interloper, which is a little comet. And up here on this highly like inclined orbit, you have the deep space satellite, which is orbiting the sun. And zooming way far out, here's the eye of the universe. And it's purple glory. And you can see I like recreated the eye storm and stuff with like rings. Yes, purple. And in the orbit of the eye you have the quantum. And this isn't basically pitch dark since it's so far away from the sun. So here's the quantum moon. You can see it has its thick clouds, and underneath it looks just like the eye, with that all purple quantum surface. And leaving the eye, I actually added in the home system of the strangers from the DLC. So here's the ring planet from the DLC right here, and around it you can see the moon, the stranger's homeworld. And you can see it's like all destroyed and like polluted. Because like, spoilers, like you shouldn't be watching this video if you haven't played the game. The inhabitants, they like mined out all of the resources on the planet and left it all barren. And that's it. That's all of the plans I have to show today. So now I'm gonna speed up time so you can see the system in motion. So there goes the probe, the Nomad probe. As you can see, Hull's lantern is like emitting a bunch of like dust clouds as it moves them through space. Here comes the interloper, then fly by the sun. And here goes Voyager 2, which is the Nomad probe. It's going to fly right by the eye of the universe. So whoosh, flew by the eye. And now I'm going to blow up the sun for science. Gonna set a timer, 22 minutes. Bang! There goes the supernova. So timber harvests being incinerated, lost its atmosphere. also going to explode this star. So this is what remains of the solar system after the supernova. So September Hearth lost its atmosphere, is now barren rock. Ember Twin has been completely destroyed. Giant's Deep is no longer a gas giant. Yeah, it's no longer a gas giant. And it's now just a tiny little asteroid. Dark Bramble's like the same. Hull's Lantern lost a lot of mass and no longer has a lava ocean. And the Eye of the Universe